Before you come to the altar, Jesus asked one question. Is there someone you need to make peace with? In today's gospel, Jesus says something surprising. He tells us that if we are about to offer our gift to God, but we remember that a brother or sister is hurt because of us, we should first seek reconciliation. Why? Because God does not want worship without love. He does not want prayers that ignored wounded relationships. He wants hearts that know how to forgive, apologize, and heal. Many people carry silent wounds caused by harsh words, pride, or misunderstandings. And sometimes we are part of that story. Jesus invites us today to take the first step, a message, a phone call, a sincere apology, a willingness to forgive. You know, the path to the altar passes through the heart of our neighbor. When we choose reconciliation, we make room for God's peace. So today, before offering your gift to God, ask yourself, who needs my forgiveness? And from whom do I need to seek forgiveness? Because a reconciled heart is one of the most beautiful gifts we can offer to God. Amen.